Let's make a strawberry crunch cake. This cake is so easy and beginner friendly. I recommend any drip cake or crumb covered cake for people that are just starting businesses and don't know how to really decorate cakes. All you need is 3 layers of your favorite strawberry cake recipe and some cream cheese icing. Of course, you can use buttercream icing if you like, but I think that cream cheese pairs very well with strawberries. Now, like I said, this cake is very beginner friendly because the icing does not have to be smooth in the end. You're gonna cover the icing completely in crumbs, so as long as you coat the cake in icing, everything will be fine. Smooth the icing out to your liking, and then you're going to get your strawberry crunch crumbs and cover the cake in it. I will link my recipe for strawberry crunch crumbs to this video. By the way, my recipe to make strawberry crunch is super easy. There's no baking involved, and it only takes about 5 to 7 minutes. If you made it this far, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Leave suggestions in the comments of types of videos you would like to see. As you can see, all you're doing is getting your crumbs and rubbing it up the side of the cake. The crumbs that are falling back down, just scrape them into your bowl or your plate so that you can continue to use those crumbs. Once you go around the cake fully, make sure you go around a second time to make sure you cover any gaps you might have missed. I like to add white chocolate covered strawberries to the top of mine just because it makes the cake that much more beautiful. You can add any type of border you want. I just did a basic border. After I did the top and bottom, I went back with the top and made it a little more taller just for a different look. And I placed my strawberries on top. And there you have it, a beginner-friendly cake that is so delicious, easy, and beautiful. And you can make it with any flavor crumbs other than strawberry.